Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to save pictures on Snapchat without them knowing. So if you want to save pictures that somebody sent to you on Snapchat without them knowing, I'll show you how to do that today in this video. So first things first, go over to your chat. And when you're in your chat, as you can see, I have a new picture from your mom. This is for saving pictures in Snapchat and not for snaps, but this method also works for snaps too. You just have to save or screenshot the snap instead. But let's say I want to save the sunrise photo. First, I'll turn on the airplane mode on my phone. So turn on your airplane mode. And once you turn it on, save the snap or picture. So I'll save the snap real quick. Not to chat, I'll save it to my photos. And then once I save it to my camera roll, I'll get out of Snapchat. So I'll swipe out, and then you delete Snapchat afterwards. After you delete Snapchat, re-download it, and then log back into your account. And as you can see, I'll log back in, and I'll go over to my chats real quick. But when I go over to the chat, as you can see, there's no notification that I saved the photo into my camera roll. There is the screen record notification because I screen recorded before I turned on airplane mode, but there won't be any notification. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.